All right, all right, all right. I'm going for the second one. Second. Okay. All right, all right. People filling in. People filling in. Yes, sir, Steve. Let's try again. Let's try again. All right, here we go. So the stream was doing good. All right. Well, yes. Basically, my point is just for well, I got the cash account now, so we'll see how that goes. All right, hold up, guys. I'm just gonna quickly. There we go. Shared it. Fancy seeing you here a lot here. Yeah. Okay. So we're back up. We're back up. All right. So we're gonna be looking for opportunity here within the market. We do have settled funds in the cash account, so we can trade. We can trade. But that does not mean we want to be done with our trades. All right. Hold up. I'm gonna quickly grab some coffee, and then we'll get the show really going. There we go, baby. Let's go. All right, we're back. Come on. All right, AUUD is falling here. It's a low float. That's some interesting news, though. Sun's doing good. Holo is a chillin'. All right. All right. Come on, baby. DJ Underground, good morning, sir. How are you? Keep an eye on Tesla stock because Starship is due to launch right with the market open. All right. Well, let's throw up Tesla here then. All right. don't really see anything moving to my liking so far. We did have some nice setups. But we missed out on those. So Tesla could pop up here. I mean, it's in the 160s. Like, well, yeah. Actually, let's take a look at Apple and Nvidia. By the way, I'm not sure if you guys saw, DJ, I'm not sure if you saw this, but apparently Warren Buffett has, like, completely dropped Apple. Not completely. Well, from the information I saw, has completely dropped Apple from his portfolio. And that is why we are potentially seeing a massive drawdown in Apple. But yeah, we'll keep an eye on Tesla here. There's also a live feed for the launch. All right. Oh, that's why. Oh, that's why Sea-Doo is going up. Oh, Sea-Doo has a. If I'm not mistaken, they actually have a contract with Tesla. Hold up, let me quickly double check. I'm sure someone will mention this on StockTwits. If that's the case, because if there's a live. Because if I'm not mistaken, Sea-Doo actually has something to do with that. Hey, Mr. I don't give a fuck. Idgaff. Morning, sir. How are you doing? Sea-Doo Space received signals from LizzieSat for a successful launch and deployment of SpaceX Transporter 10 rideshare mission. I don't know what the hell that means, but interesting. A multifaceted space and data satellite company today announced it received multiple signals from its LizzieSat satellite after launch and deployment in low orbit, Earth orbit as part of the SpaceX Transporter rideshare mission from. Oh, so apparently it was already a success. They're playing a live replay. Or they're doing a live replay. Or no, this already happened. I don't know. Keep an eye on Sea-Doo. Sea-Doo could be an interesting play. It could start moving. Sun popping up here. Holo dropping. Good bounce off of the VWAP 13. CCTG, not the biggest fan of it yet. APM bounced and then dropped. Off of its not from its overall move, but from its reaction on the 13. I'm doing good, sir. I'm doing good. I'm in a chipperish mood right now. We got some money in the cash account. Gives me the capability of being a little bit more open with day trades. I don't have to worry so much. I can catch plays on the back end if I really need to. Allows me to trade behind the scenes or not behind the scenes, but it allows me to trade when my day trades on my margin account are not there. So today's a bright day. It's a day with potential in it. I like that. Should I wear like a... Actually, you know what? I know what I'm gonna do. One sec, guys. One sec. Oh, where is it? Where is it? I know where it is. Nope, that's not where it is. Hmm. There it is. You know what? Since we're all trying to have a good day today, you are gonna have to excuse. This is a sort of a in the moment decision, but and since the fact that I've been up pretty much the entire day, I haven't had time to prepare this whatsoever. I'm not even sure if you guys can hear me right now, but if you can, this might be a new thing, depending on how we're feeling about it. All right, there we wait. Whoops. There we go. Look at that. Look at all professional and shit. Look at that. Bald ski going in ham. Okay, yeah. So this is a little unprepared, so excuse the wrinkles a little bit from the shirt. I just pulled this out of my I haven't had time to iron it or anything, but might just start wearing some lined shirts. Actually, I don't even know what to call this. It's not a flannel, is it? Guys, my outfit on a day-to-day basis is a like a $10 shirt and like $20 pants, and that's about it. My shoes I've only spent about $40 on. I don't know much about clothes. I'm not a big person when it comes to that type of stuff. But how do you say? If it's the case that we enjoy it, we enjoy it. There we go. All right, boom. Market's open. Sorry, I was focused too much on what I was wearing. Okay, here we go. APM. APM is looking pretty decent here. We can buy in the open, which is good. Let's take a look at Holo. Holo looks like it might want to pop up here again. Much stronger day than yesterday. Well, not necessarily. The opening candle had more volume. APM moving up again. We have APM up here twice. Put Sea-Doo here in the corner. MDAI, no. IGPK. All right, let's take a look, Steve. Boom. Hit 150. Well, that was yesterday, right? APM with some selling pressure into it. We do have good opening volume here on APM. Float's relatively small. What's the news here? Don't really see strong news. Holo's still looking froggy. Hold up. Maybe Holo, maybe APM. What was the... Oh, yeah. Whoa, Sea-Doo's getting dropped here big time. SELX. SELX is slowly grinding up here. We are still in the first opening 5 minutes. Oh, I think maybe my OTC might be a bit delayed because I don't see that. I see 148 still. Yeah. I'm surprised that they look they have like the futures thing set up, but you can't trade it yet. Holo's still looking good here. What was the high yesterday? 833. Are we going to break that? I think we will. All right. We're in for Holo again. Quick in and out here is always... Oh, there we go. APM's lifting. Holo. APM 670 here, moving up 666 with a nice little spike there. SEOX, we're gonna leave that up for a little bit. Wimmy, wow, look at Wimmy, 168. Wimmy is moving. Yep, the emojis are definitely warranted here. Yep, Wimmy's been moving up since this morning. Look at that, finally paying off. And as you can see here, this was my chart on Wimmy. If you actually move it up, this actually makes sense. So, because we had a preemptive breakout and then a sort of a resting dip, and now we're back here. APM halted on the way up 686. Wimmy looking very interesting, looking very similar to Holo here. Holo's moving up. 811. APM halted. SELX not really doing all too much as of right now. Quick spike in volume here. There we go. Holo still breaking those highs. 840, 825. What do we need to break? We broke yesterday's high, 833, which I thought we would do. There we go. Wimmy pushing back up, looking to break those highs as well. Similar stance. Look at that. SVM, baby. How's AG doing? How's Pyro's play doing? Pyro's play is down. But we got a runner here, so it doesn't matter. Holo's popping up. Sold Holo. Alright, Bart. I'm still in it. I'm still in it. I like the consistency and volume so far. Congratulations. Wimmy, a bit of an indecisive candle so far. Silver is still holding above 25. Just barely, though. Hey, Joel. Good morning. How you doing? Oh, Holo's selling off. To be expected. Still in the opening 15 minutes, which is always a bit tricky to deal with. APM is still halted. We got pretty green for the day. Women. LSDI popping up. Low volume though. Sun moving on the way up. APM unhalted here, hitting $7, coming back down, popping back up. Whoa, there we go. APM moving up 770. Looking to break $8 here. we're setting a stop on Holo. Here we go. We're going to see what it does. I think Holo should recover. 8 p.m. 770. Halt on the way up. No, okay. Of course, I get stopped out on Holo. A little bit of a loss there on Holo. Not the greatest of trades, but hey, there we go. MDAI uptrend. All right. Yep. I should have. Next time I'll set a stop higher. Probably that previous 5-minute candle. But hey, it was on the cash account. We were just testing it out. You know, test the water, see how it goes. Hold on, let me actually check something real quick. Whoops. All right, so we're back. Okay, so I just checked. So yeah, so we have unsettled cash on the cash account, and we're back into the margin account. Stop so far not looking terrible. APM's looking good. Sun getting knifed. MDAI, yep, uptrend, moving up nicely. 233, breaking yesterday's high. WIMI bouncing off the 13 EMA, holding 150. Currently trying to use the VWAP as support. Looking a little tricky. Holo coming back up. But stop loss was a little tight. Stop loss was a little tight. I'm watching PRST. Keep an eye on it. All right, I will. Oh, Holo's about to get that further move. Yep. No. Yep. No. Okay. Indecisive. We'll let it play out. MDAI hitting 233 once again. WIMI still holding above the 13, which is good to see. BFRI climbing its way to the top of the list here. TPH is also looking good. PRST is moving up. 44 cents. 45.09 was the after hours high yesterday. Boom, there we go. MDAI breaking new highs. All right. Very interesting. APM looks probably the best, but it's halted. AUUD hit 293, bouncing up. CDU still going down. Here's moving. All right, there we go. APM coming back down to the low 7s, filling that gap, or trying to fill that gap at 770. There we go, pushing up past 8s, 839, breaking new highs here. We have filled that gap left from the halt. PRST 42, not looking terrible. GXAI coming down. Let's take a look at WIMI. WIMI is still holding. APM down into the 7s again after that quick spike up. Did see big selling pressure there. WIMI 160, looking for another test. Let me close the window real quick. It's a bit chilly in here. Hey, let's go, Bart. Bart's making that money. Bart's doing good. Holo getting dropped. No, market's still a little bit slow here at the open. APM coming back up. The volume is still there. We actually have a lot of volume. We've actually traded the float already over 100%. So definitely some interest there in the market. Silver with a big drop. To be fair, not surprised. Okay. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. Makes sense. There we go. WIMI. WIMI has that buying pressure. 163. MOBX is moving up steadily with low volume. BFRI climbing up. LSDI. BBAI falling off of a cliff. MBY coming back up here. Now attack WIMI. Yeah, we're looking for that push. HPCO. Oh yeah, the HPCO. That was that Snoop Dogg play. WIMI getting knifed. Excuse me. Okay. 849, 850 on the APM. PRST and WIMI both getting dropped. Market feels a little weird today, a little slow. Well, not weird. Actually, it feels kind of normal. Just a little slow. in at WIMI at 150. All right. Well, it's not looking bad. APM 855 breaking new highs. I'm gonna grab some more coffee. One sec. I get to have my coffee breaks. All right. I'm pretty sure that's the agreement somewhere in the stream contract that I signed with myself. All right. Coffee breaks over. Stipulated in the contract. Yeah, I mean, WIMI's volume is insane. Turnover rate is only 33%, though. Something to keep an eye on. CCTG, APM looking to move up again. EGY has also been moving up. KULR is down. BBW. Build-A-Bear. Didn't your boy call out Build-A-Bear months ago? Your boy did. Your boy called out Build-A-Bear. Holo with a big drop. Thank you for the stop loss. Thank you for the stop loss. Hood coming down. Hood's been also making some nice rallies here. There we go. APM 850, 860, 873. Still moving. The volume is there for now. We do see some selling pressure into that volume. But the fact that we're currently pushing up above it, we're only the first minute into this 5-minute candle. It's looking good, though. Probably going to see a bit of a pullback. Market needs to refurbish those candles. PR, man, everything is dumping from the open here. Seems like the big boys are getting. Whoa, what? Why is the SPY just falling off of a cliff here? Oh, Nvidia. Whoa, Nvidia just dropped 2%. Whoa. Okay. Well, the volatility is here, ladies and gentlemen. What's the VIX doing? The VIX hasn't moved an eyebrow. What in the... Whoa, look at treasury yields. What? 2% on the 30, or 1.5% on the 30, 1.75% on the 20 and 10 year, 1.5 on the 5. Wow. The yields are skyrocketing. They're moving like penny stocks. Keep an eye out. Bitcoin coming back down. We're probably going to see a bit of a dip, some selling pressure. 880 on APM, breaking new highs here. SPY took a massive nosedive alongside Nvidia here at the open. Actually, let's take a look at Boeing. I'm curious to see, because Boeing, yeah, Boeing is green. Apple's green. Yeah, no. Bird is popping up here. SGMO is also popping up. MDAI, what a recovery, 230. WIMI still trying to hold on to that 150. Looking a little weak. The VWAP looks a little stagnant. Oh wow, the stream is delayed. Alright, well, we'll chug along for the most part. Silver is still trying to push the $25 area. Silver could be top G here. MDAI selling pressure. I don't know. Something don't feel right. Apple sharp knife down. Oh boy. Nvidia continuing to break lows here. Ooh. Get ready, people.